How does Cornell note-taking improve lecture notes? Imagine walking into a lecture and leaving with notes that are clear, organized, and easy to review. That's what the Cornell note-taking method aims to do. It's a simple system that helps you get the most out of your class time. The key idea is to split your paper into 3 sections. The largest section is for writing down the main ideas and details during the lecture. Next to it, a smaller column is for keywords, questions, or cues that relate to what you've written. At the bottom, there's a space for a brief summary of the entire lecture. This setup keeps your notes tidy and makes reviewing much easier. When you write down the main points, you're actively listening and processing what's being said. The cues or questions column helps you focus on the most important parts and prepare for tests. Summarizing at the end reinforces what you've learned and helps you remember it better. One big advantage is that you can test yourself by covering the notes and using the cues to recall the details. This active recall boosts your memory and makes studying more effective. Cornell notes also encourage you to be more intentional about note-taking. Instead of trying to write everything down, you focus on capturing the key ideas. This keeps your notes concise and useful later on. The organized structure makes it easier to find information quickly when you review. It's especially helpful for reviewing before exams or writing papers. Overall, using Cornell note-taking improves your lecture notes by making them clearer, more organized, and better suited for studying. It turns passive listening into an active learning process. With this method, your notes become a powerful tool for understanding and remembering class material.